So now let's see how we can work around with terms list block inside of wordpress.com. So over here for that, I'm just going to go around onto the editing area, and then I'm going to hover around in between two blocks right here and then click on the plus button. So once I go ahead and do that, I'm going to go around onto terms, and you can see that terms list is an option. If I were to go ahead and click right here, then you can see that you got the daily prompts term right here, just like this, and you got this one as well. So there's two daily prompts, as you can see right here. You can go ahead and click on this, and then you can go ahead and change it out according to categories right here. Display it at as drop down or post count right here, just like this as well, and so forth. So I haven't actually categorized any of my posts, so you can also change it out into project types or project tags that you may have as well. Let me just go around onto tags, and you can see that there's two tags with this posts with this particular tag, and it displays that out accordingly. So if I were to go around over here, then you can see that I can change around the size, I can change around the border right here, just like this, and even go ahead and change around the border color as you like as well. And you can also go ahead and change around the radius for this as well. Let me just go ahead and save this and then go around onto preview. And if I were to go around and scroll down, you can see that this link is clickable, and now it comes down to daily prompts right here as I click on it right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and then that is how you can utilize the terms list block to display out the list for different tags that you may have, or different let's say project types you may have. As long as they are defined, they will actually be shown right here. So you can also go ahead and change it out into full width, or just like this. This is what you have, as you can see. So this is how you can go ahead and work around with the terms list block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.